I am deeply attracted to you. You are an embodiment of beauty, grace, and strength. Every moment spent with you is a gift that I cherish. There is no one else in this world who can compare the depth of love and connection I feel with you. You have captured my heart and soul, and I am grateful to experience this wonderful spiritual connection in my life. I want to assure you that my love for you is unwavering and steadfast. I am committed to you in every sense of the word, and I will always be faithful to you. Because you are the one who completes me, and I cannot imagine my life without you. I am not only drawn to your wisdom, but also I find you to be the most attractive and seductive person for me. Your wisdom and intelligence have always inspired me, and your beauty and seductiveness leaves me breathless. Every time I am captivated by your kindness, your presence, my dear calmness, and sensuality. It feels like I cannot get enough of you. I want to assure you that my love for you is not based solely on your physical appearance, but it is a reflection of your beauty that radiates from within. Whether you know or not, but I want to tell you that we have passed the test of time, and I feel blessed to have you in my life. There is no one else that I can think about or commit to, because you are the only one who holds the key to my heart. Through the ups and downs, the trials and tribulations, you have stood by my side, and because of this, my love for you has grown stronger with time. Beloved, you are my rock, my support, and I cannot replace you. We hope you're enjoying the content thus far. By subscribing below, you'll gain access to all our latest videos and stay updated with our channel.